Hi everyone, this is Thiago here. As a hotel photographer, I have to constantly photograph restaurants, and in some cases I have to correct table settings. One of the main errors that I see is napkins. Where napkins go. Napkins should go either on the left side of the plate or in the middle of the plate. Never should go on the right side of the plate. But just to keep this thing behind, I made a quick Google search, as you see here. I text in correct table settings, and I went into images, and this is what I found. This is all of the images that I found. And let's make a count of how many napkins go on the left, how many go in the middle, how many go on the right. So as you can see here, first it's on the left, on the left, on the left, on the left, in the middle, on the left, in the middle, in the middle, I'm sorry, on the left, on the left, on the left, on the left. This one I can't see. This one say on the left, in the middle, on the left, on the left, on the left, in the middle. So as you can see, the correct table settings for a napkin is either on the left or in the middle. Never, never they should go on the right side of the plate. Thank you.